Today we're making sourdough bread starter. Today we are starting our sourdough, and this is going to be started really traditionally. I have half a cup of warm water. So that's 4 ounces, 4 fluid ounces. I'm going to use my handy dandy scale. If you want to learn about this scale, click that eye in the sky. I can show you about the scale, but it is so easy. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 ounces of flour. This is all-purpose flour. I will pour that into my container. And now I'm going to do 2 ounces of whole wheat flour. The whole wheat flour will help with the yeast development. I like the mixture of the 2 flours. There we go. Then I'm just going to take a napkin. You can take a cloth napkin. You can take whatever you have. Cover it. Secure it with the rubber band so that way nothing can get into it. I'm going to leave this out on my counter for 24 hours. It's now been 7 days. In those 7 days, I repeated the same thing every day. I took 4 ounces of the starter, added to that 2 ounces of regular flour and 2 ounces of whole wheat flour, and half a cup of water. I'd mix those well together and then cover it and let it sit. Now you can do things with the excess starter that you have left over, or you can then just get rid of it, but you want to repeat that every single day for 7 days. Once you do that, you now have sourdough starter. This is a great sourdough starter that you can use for anything. Anytime it calls for sourdough, there you go. This is your great starter. Now, if you want to keep your starter going, but you don't want to feed it every day, this can be frozen and then warmed up, or it can be kept in the refrigerator and you only have to feed it once a week. It's that simple. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't worry, I am going to be making some sourdough bread for you, and we're going to use this very starter. And when I make that, you're going to really have to try this, because this is one of those things that you can use in anything. It also makes really good stuffing. Yeah, sourdough stuffing. But I hope you come back next week to see the sourdough bread. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.